Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Arceus on your iPhone. So first thing first, open your web browser and go to carnageipas.com. Click go. Then after that, scroll down a little bit till you find install now button. So just click on that, then click allow, then close, then go to your settings, click on profile, download it, and install. Type your password and install. So now you'll see Carnage IPAS on your home screen. Just click on that. Then click on get started. And you'll see Roblox or X. So click on that. Click download. So download is ready. And that's all. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.